In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a PDF file on a Mac. Renaming a file is a simple way to keep your documents organized and easy to find later. Maybe you just downloaded a file with a confusing name, or you want to add a date or project label. Whatever the reason, you can do it quickly right in Finder, which is the file manager on your Mac. Start by opening Finder. That's the smiling face icon in your dock. Once Finder is open, navigate to where your PDF is stored. You might find it in Downloads, Desktop, Documents, or a project folder you've set up. If you're not sure where it is, you can use the search bar at the top right of the Finder window and type part of the current file name or .pdf to narrow things down. When you see the file you want, you're ready to rename it. Click once on the file's name. Make sure you single-click the name text itself and not the icon. A double-click would open the file, which we don't want right now. After that single click, press the return key on your keyboard, sometimes labeled Enter. You'll see the file name become editable, with the text highlighted and a blinking cursor so you can start typing. Type the new name you want to use. Keep it clear and descriptive so you'll recognize it later. Use terms like the topic, client, or date, whatever helps you stay organized. Avoid special characters that can cause issues in file names, like slashes or colons. If you can see .pdf at the end of the name, be careful not to delete it. That extension tells your Mac what kind of file it is. If you accidentally change or remove it, macOS may warn you and ask if you want to keep the .pdf extension, which you should. When you're happy with the new name, press Return again to save it. The text box will stop being editable, and the new name will appear in place. That's it. The file is renamed. If the file doesn't rename, check that it isn't currently open in another app. Close it and try again. A quick recap. Open Finder, locate your PDF, click the name once, press Return to make it editable, type the new name and press Return again to save. Renaming doesn't change the contents of your PDF, just what it's called, so it's a safe and effective way to tidy up your files. Make it a habit to use clear, consistent names, and you'll spend far less time searching for what you need.